Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is islower. So what this function will do, it will return either a true or a false. So it will also return a boolean value. So with this method, we can easily identify like whether the input string or input variable contains only lowercase character or is there anything other than lowercase means uppercase. Okay, so in short you can say that this method will let us know that whether the input string contains small case letters or lowercase letters. If it contains only small case or lowercase letter, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so there are multiple scenarios where I am verifying this thing, so let's see one by one each scenario. So for the first scenario, you can see that on line number 8 we are storing the string as hello, where each and every character of hello is small case or lowercase. So when we try to implement this method on this string, so syntax is quite simple. You can simply write string one dot is lower, and when you run this, so it will show true. Why? Because all the characters are in small case or lowercase, which is correct, and that's why it is giving true. So here in terminal, if I run this program again, so you can see I'm writing python space, my program name is session36.py, and if I hit enter, so it prints these output. So first output you can see it is true, which is correct because it contains only small case or lowercase characters. Similarly, if we check for the second scenario, here we have changed the string. Now the string contains capital WORLD. All letters are of capital letters or uppercase letter. So that's why it is returning false, because is lower will check it contains lower function, lower characters. No, so that's why it is returning false. Second value of the boolean false. Now if we check for the third scenario, here we are storing 1, 2, 3 ABC. So it doesn't matter what other value you are using. If you are using character, that should be in lowercase only. Okay, so that's why it is returning true. It doesn't matter like whether you are using 1, 2, 3 or no, anything other than this, because it only checks for the characters. It should be in the lowercase only. If it is like here, you can see it is in lowercase, so it is fine. It is returning true. Okay, now if you look at the fourth scenario, here you can see that we are storing string as python space is space awesome. Everything is character, but not every character is of lower type or lowercase. P is capital, A is capital, that's why it is returning false. Okay, so if string contains character, then it should be only of lowercase type. If it is of lowercase type or small case type, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false for every scenario. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things, so thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.